Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Union Executive. It's nothing but the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. First question. A bill initiated by which among the following is a government bill? Option A. Member of Parliament from ruling party or coalition. Option B. Minister. Option C. Member of Parliament from opposition party. Option D. Either one or two. Answer. Option D. Minister. Second question. A minister in union government is individually responsible to Option A. Council of Ministers. Option B. Prime Minister. Option C. President. Option D. Parliament. Answer. Option C. President. Third question. Who among the following decides the foreign policy of India? Option A. President. Option B. Prime Minister. Option C. Parliament. Option D. Council of Ministers. Answer. Option D. Councils of Ministers. Fourth question. Which among the following sentences is incorrect? Option A. The members of the Council of Ministers are individually responsible to the President. Option B. The members of the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Parliament. Option C. A vote of no confidence against any minister is taken as a vote of no confidence against entire Council of Ministers. Option D. All are correct. Answer. Option D. All are correct. Fifth question. The Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of People. Which article states this? Option A. 75(2). Option B. 75(1). Option C. 75(4). Option D. 75(3). Answer. Option D. 75(3). Sixth question. Who among the following works as chairman of Kendriya Hindi Samiti? Answer. Option B. Prime Minister. Seventh question. Who among the following former Prime Ministers of India never served as Chief Minister of Indian State? Option A. Morarji Desai. Option B. Chandrasekhar. Option C. V.P. Singh. Option D. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Answer. Option B. Chandrasekhar. Eighth question. Who among the following is considered to be the custodian of the nation's finances? Option A. Prime Minister. Option B. Finance Minister. Option C. Controller and Governor General of India. Option D. Reserve Bank of India. Answer. Option B. Finance Minister. Ninth question. In which of the following decade India saw maximum number of Prime Ministers? Option A. 1961 to 70. Option B. 1971 to 80. Option C. 1981 to 90. Option D. 1991 to 2000. Answer. Option D. 1991 to 2000. 10th question. Department of Border Management functions under which of the following ministries of Government of India? Option A, Ministry of External Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Defense. Option C, Union Home Ministry. Option D, Ministry of Commerce. Answer: Option C, Union Home Ministry. Seventh question. Who among the following is not a member of the committee which recommends the President of India regarding appointments of chairperson and members of the National Human Rights Commission? Option A, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option B, Union Home Minister. Option C, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha. Option D, Union Law Minister. Answer: Option D, Union Law Minister. 12th question. Who among the following is the only Defence Minister of India who is known to have tabled the Union Budget twice on his birthday? Option A, T.T. Krishnamachari. Option B, Morarji Desai. Option C, Yashwantrao Chavan. Option D, Pranab Mukherjee. Answer: Option B, Morarji Desai. 13th question. Prime Minister's 15-point program in India is related to which among the following segments of society? Option A, BPL families. Option B, minorities. Option C, unemployed poor. Option D, rural old age people. Answer: Option B, minorities. 14th question. The premises of India's finance ministry are also known as: Option A, East Bloc. Option B, West Bloc. Option C, North Bloc. Option D, South Bloc. Answer: Option C, North Bloc. 15th question. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding Prime Minister's office? Option A, it is a statutory body. Option B, it is a staff agency to the Prime Minister. Option C, it has been given the status of a department. Option D, it has no attached and subordinate office under it. Answer: Option A, it is a statutory body. 16th question. Who among the following operates the National Disaster Response Fund, which was constituted under the Disaster Management Act 2005? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Union Minister for Home Affairs. Option C, Union Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. Option D, Union Minister for Environment and Forest Acts. Answer: Option B, Union Minister for Home Affairs. 17th question. 7, Racecross Road, the official residence of the Indian Prime Minister, is commonly known as: Option A, Anugraha. Option B, Chitrakoot. Option C, Panchavati. Option D, PM Niwas. Answer: Option C, Panchavati. 18th question. Who among the following heads the National Integration Council in India? Option A, President. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Prime Minister. Option D, a retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer: Option C, Prime Minister. 19th question. Who among the following heads the central government in India? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Chief Minister. Option C, President. Option D, Vice President. Answer: Option A, Prime Minister. 20th question. First Indian Prime Minister to resign from office is: Option A, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option B, Morarji Desai. Option C, H.D. Dev Gowda. Option D, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Answer: Option B, Morarji Desai. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.